Hello everyone, welcome to FineReport lesson 18. So today we're going to learn the pagination setting. So really simple. First we're going to create our database query, the data set. So we're going to use select all from sales volume and take a preview at what's going on inside this table. Alright, so we have our DS1, the data set, sales volume. Next we're going to create a head for each of the data table. So we have a region salesperson, product types, product, and also sales volume. We're going to drag the corresponding data column to the corresponding cell and let them expanding from left to right. So next, we're going to do a little editing for the format. So for now, we already have our really simple sales volume table going on. And then next, we're going to go into the pagination settings on the right side. Second, set attributes, others, we have the pagination after row. So if we click on that one, the A2 cell would have the pagination setting. So which means this table will paginate after different region. So as you can see, we have East China, North China, two regions have the pagination settings. So that would be the pagination settings. So also if we click on the salesperson, P2, and hit on the paginate after row, this table will expand according to different salesperson. So that will be the content for pagination. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.